All right, hey guys, we're with Angie and Richie and Princess, and we're actually on our way to go to the store. We are here today because there's two Santas today.
Yeah.
And the first one, Angie has a store here where she sells barbecue. Sorry if you didn't hear me. We're right by the road. But one of her jobs, like maybe seasonal, is selling barbecue. And right now her stuff isn't out here, but stuff is it's a little worn, and we want to get her some new things to make it easier to sell. So that's one. We're gonna get her like a table, some cooking things, some chairs maybe out here, and some other things. She has like a list that we'll go to the store and pick out. So that's from the first Santa. From another Santa, which is totally new, I got an email last night. Do you have a fridge at your house?
I guess no. Naba ko na kayo rep sa balay. No.
Would you like one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So that's thank you to the second Santa.
Yes.
Just in time, because we're just going to the store today to get the supplies and materials to sell. And then, you know, having a barbecue selling store, it's nice to have some kind of refrigerator to keep things cool, and among other things, you know, just keep your beverages cool,
Yeah.
and ice and different things
So
like that.
Filipina can eat ice candy.
Yes. So this is a really awesome surprise. So thank you to the two Santas. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
So I guess, what?
Yes, we're ready now.
Yeah, and we're gonna try to go before it rains. Today, you never know what the weather will do. So I think we're gonna go there, and everything needs to be delivered. So we're gonna go there, pick everything out, do the whole shebang, and then come back here, and maybe she could, Angie can teach us how to do some of the barbecue stuff.
Yeah.
If we have time, we'll try to go up to her house and do that. So anyways, we'll take off before it starts raining, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. All right, so we are at Prince Hardware. We might have to go to a few different stores today, but we think we found the table, and then they have mini chairs, and then probably them butane cookers and different things. Hopefully we can get most of the stuff here. We might have to go to jump around a little bit. Angie's new umbrella. No rain can get inside. We could all fit. We get the whole community inside. So we just got back. The fridge. We got the fridge. And this can't be plugged in for 8 hours. And I think we're just gonna leave it here, and then when June Ray comes, we'll carry that up. But we did get the fridge, and then the rest of the stuff is from Prince, and that won't come in until a little bit later. They didn't have a delivery vehicle ready right now. Anyway, we got some stuff here from the grandma, and then we ordered some other supplies from Prince. So hopefully that does come in a little bit. But for right now, I think we're gonna walk up and do a little preparation, and then hopefully the stuff comes in time and we can kind of set up the table and everything out front. All right, right now Angie is preparing the intestines, and she's putting some garlic in. And she leaves early in the morning to La Tupin, and that's where we're also going to, she never sold, what is it, tempura?
Tempura.
And we couldn't get that today because that's something you do in the morning. But we're gonna get her enough tempura to sell that as well. So we won't be able to show that today, but that's another thing she's gonna be able to sell, including barbecue. So this is kind of the process of making the intestines. Soy sauce, garlic, and intestines. Does that smell good?
I know now. Wow.
Food coloring. Oh,
You don't want to look at one so fair.
I never knew they put food coloring in there. Okay. Is that just to make it look like blood? Like, why do you want it to look red? Is there a reason why you want it? Just attraction? Okay.
It's nice if there's color.
Okay. If you guys watching this, does that make a difference? Would you guys rather buy it the red color or the orange color, or like the pale whitish color? I never knew they put food coloring in there. The next is the banana ketchup. That tastes just a little bit different than like regular ketchup. It's a little bit like sweeter. All right, so one of the ingredients is limoncito, and Angie has it right in her backyard. So here's the limoncito tree. Nice. All right, so we just got the limoncito. So just a little look out here. Angie is going to boil the chicken feet. So she bought those this morning, and then she'll boil those for a very, very small amount of time. I think only for like a minute or two, but she'll boil those before she prepare those to sell later. So Filipina is making her own. I believe that's the liver, and then the intestines. So she's gonna eat that herself later.
She said this is fine.
So this is kind of process. If you've seen the other video, you've seen Eden do it. But there's 2 pieces there, and then you just keep repeating this process until all the intestines are gone.
Very fast.
Yeah.
She said it will take like 3 hours
To do all of that.
all that.
Wow. So it does take some time. Alright guys, so unfortunately my tripod thing just broke. But fortunately we have Ashley and Kesha. They're gonna hold the camera for a minute. And Richie and I are gonna help Angie out.
Yeah. So far, I finished the hot dog. Now, longanisa.
Longanisa, alright,
Yeah.
so 2 of these can go on one. And we did just wash our hands. Sometimes people leave comments saying you guys should wash your hands. We did.
Oh, perfect.
You smell good too. Angie, just like this?
Sakto din, di? Yeah.
Alright, so 1 down.
Ay, naglanas sa dahil. Ipondo lang. Ipondo lang, ipondo. Na. Murag bilang, okay rin na mapalong.
Here, I'll hit you.
Kanang murag na namin ba? Ito ba, hanin mo na.
Can you see us? If it goes black, you can just go like this and touch it and you can see the screen.
Kung mawala ang kwan, nanaan rin mo.
Wala touch screen ba? Lansa. Oh, tagag-agi day.
Alright, so we'll fast forward a little bit and get these finished, and then we'll see what the next step is after this. So here is the chicken feet, and they just finished boiling. Now Angie's gonna add some garlic. And then also some limoncito.
Ang banday kay di man butangan day.
And then some magic syrup. And soy sauce. banana ketchup. No food coloring for this one.
No.
And then now, from this day forward, she's gonna have a refrigerator, which is a big, pretty important thing when you're working with meat. So you can keep it cool and keep flies away. So if you wanna leave it or eat it another day, you can keep it in the refrigerator. So here's a few things we got from Grandma, which we took home ourselves. We are still waiting on some of the stuff that's coming from Prince. So good thing Angie has a good team. So you're gonna start carrying some of the stuff down, and then I'll just show you what we have so far. Here's the chicken feet. And then brand new containers, very nice. Then here's these. So we didn't get a call yet. We don't think that the delivery came in yet, but Angie still has to sell either way. So we're gonna bring these down, and we hope that the delivery does come in the next little bit. But for right now, we'll just carry this down, and we'll set up her old setup, and then hopefully it comes in and we can do the new setup.
Yes.
But for now, I guess we'll take this down. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Eden says she's the #1 customer. Is that true?
Yeah.
What's your favorite? I think you said that last time, but just in case other
this
people didn't
one.
hear. The chicken feet. That's a lot of people's favorites. No chicken neck today, which is one of my favorites. But we do have a lot of other ones. And very soon, we're gonna be selling tempura.
Yeah.
Tempura here, yeah. So that didn't come in yet. But they did call us. They said they're on their way. So I think Angie might prepare this one, but we got a new one of these. And then a table we can use as well.
Bye.
So you gotta go to work?
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right, see you guys later.
Ya, asa mantika. Pero na, dari ka paita ning walhon lagi.
Ayaw mo ha.
Ang katoy mo ha gito hog. Inay. Ikay tindira di ha. Balik.
Mapuli ko ni Shine.
Di ang paypay. Di ang paypay di. Bakit ka gitu wala din.
Walo ko na.
Sige paypay. Ang paypay dira.
Manisa.
Di. Napalit na mo. Tira bali ha.
First customer.
Isa may nipalit dahil si... Kasi puta mantika, masigan na lang. Duot na yun. Tikas.
Pinay. Nabagod na ba?
Yan na yun. Okay, tindera di ha.
May puli ni Shine.
Pagi, hero madali, luto. Ay, babak tayo.
So the delivery just came from Prince. We got the table and some benches, a chair, and the butane. And then we also got a new cooker. Here's the old one. It's on its last leg. And then the new one. Nice. Okay, so the delivery guys just left. Thank you guys for delivering that. Here's everything that we have. This is from the grandma, the refrigerator, which we'll bring up later. as soon as June Ray comes. We got the umbrella here, which we're not gonna set up now, probably tomorrow or another day. I'll show that probably later. But we got the table, which is here. Look at that display. Now it looks really nice and professional. And then we got the 2 benches there, which are actually for Angie's house. So those eventually go up there. And then we try to talk Angie to get chairs, but this is all that she wanted. So, but I guess a lot of people don't really sit down here. They just kind of stand up to eat or just keep walking. But, you know, whatever she wants. So, yeah, takeout usually. But then this is kind of just a display. This is for the tempura, which we didn't get a chance to get today. That's something you need to get up in the very early morning. So tomorrow she's probably going to get that. And then from here on out, she'll start selling that. So this is the tempura setup. Very cool. And then Angie's gonna keep these tables. June Ray built these, which I really like. Hey bro, what's up? So she is gonna keep these, and look at these. I like these tables actually better than that one. That'd be cool if we can have 3 of these. So, and then we have the new cooker here. So we have 2 more things. She, of course, doesn't have the tempura yet, and you know you need to buy it to sell it. So here's 700 pesos to get the tempura tomorrow. Yeah. And then this is for your hands. I'll give it to you later.
Yeah.
And then one other thing, since it's kind of like the first night, maybe tonight and tomorrow night, everything you sell, it'll be free tonight. So just keep track what you sell, and I'll reimburse you. So there's not a lot of people around right now. Yeah, there's not really a lot of kids around here, but word will probably spread a little bit, and we'll stick around for a minute. But everything tonight from all of this is all gonna be free tonight. So hopefully we can get a little bit more business tonight. Usually more people come a little bit later. Right now there's not a lot of people. Daniel, if you want to pick out some, bro.
He already did.
He already did. All right. Daniel already picked some out. So starting tomorrow, we'll start selling tempura here. And that's really good too. Ali, libre! 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 We have some free barbecue! Hey, my friend! It's free tonight if you want to pick some out.
Pili tay. Sa ganahan mo, free. Ilista ti Angie. Pila.
Yeah, might as well load as much as we can up.
Yeah.
Hopefully people will come.
Kwan ti Angie ka nang.
Yeah, free.
Kire ko ti Angie. Ti Angie, longganisa. Piling longganisa. Imo tay. Pili tay.
Yara de mo kapuping ka.
Sudan para palihapan ba? Pili. He wants the butane.
Oh, he wants the cooker?
He wants the butane.
Oh, sorry, it's only food that's free. not the cooking materials. But tomorrow we'll have tempura. If you come back tomorrow night. It's free tonight. You can pick out what you want. Maybe, what do you think the limit should be? 2? For right now the limit is 2 for free. It's up to Angie. What do you think, Angie?
Arima, bili arima. Dua ka stick, dua ka klase.
We'll see how fast we can sell everything.
Buta dito, aroma. Ingat na, ingat.
Tandaan niya. Sige na, unyara. Wala pa, unyara.
Daghang customer rin. Angie, oy, lami kaya luto.
Ito, dagang juga yung customer dyan. Pero free lang.
Promo man, promo.
I-promo.
Ako lang, ikaw? Ako lang lang dahil.
Ano na, ay.
Kain
Ano ko, pilipas na ko ng ganisa.
Adrang kaya ako pa na dahil. Bila, usa ka tan. Morning ko na yun. Tuloy ko na yun.
Oh. Ay, dili ko tuloy sa ano ka. Ganisa. Toto na ng ganisa, te. Ganisa, hotdog.
Karon madali makuha. Tangan na to, anak. Budagan man ang kayo nga tunoy.
Hey! Free food! Come back, Richard. We got free food. Watch out for the car. Man. Free food, bro.
Okay.
Kuha na lang, eh.
Good choices. You're very welcome.
Tingin mo na ano? Riso. Ay, nakay.
Ay, sige, Ana.
Kuha na.
Sige, Ana.
Mo! Dali!
Wala na nitag iyan eh.
Hey, Eden, you better hurry. We're having a promo. It's free.
Bro.
Yeah. But two's the limit. Okay. All right.
This one.
Good choice.
Thanks, bro.
I think the chicken legs are gonna go fast. You're welcome. Yeah, those chicken feet are gonna go fast.
Na, isugis lang pa na na. Okay, luto na nila ha. Tara, dari.
Ako pala yung
Duwara limit. Tino, duwara.
panas.
Kaya sa lima. Niya, tiil.
Tiil. Sakit mo kasi man to. Siya. Alaya, bilaya. Free Roman. Free ra.
Hey, free food, free food.
Yeah, free. Come on.
Bye, guys. Enjoy. Come back tomorrow. There's tempura tomorrow. Bye, guys. Tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah.
Same time.
You will not go to work because there's free tempura.
And that's everything. Sold out. Sold out. These are all on reserve.
Thanks.
Look at this.
Yummy.
We have these nice little holders. That's like the waiting queue.
Lagi giluto pa. Kanan. Oy, excuse sa mo dira be kay nay gibuhat ha. Salamat.
Thank you. Bro, thank you so much.
Thank you, Richard. Come back tomorrow.
Thank you, bro.
See you later. Bye, Chupala.
Bye-bye, son.
Enjoy. See you later. Wow. That looks pretty good. Nice, bro.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, guys. So I just paid the tab, and you're very welcome. I think we're gonna get going. So Angie, as soon as she's done cooking this, she gets the rest of the night off. So that's probably, usually she's selling until like after dark. So now, as soon as she's done with this, she gets to go home. So that's pretty nice. So tomorrow, I'll try my best to videotape tomorrow, but she's gonna go get the tempura and see how that tastes tomorrow. So if we're around, we'll come back and I'll show you guys that. Well, anyway, guys, we're gonna get going. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Shadow. Shadow, hey. How are you, Shadow? We get yelled at every time we're out too late. This is our two pretty much supervisors. They yell at us if we come back too late.
There's one more.
Hey, Shadow. Hey. You're getting big too. When we first met that guy, he was tiny, tiny. Uh-oh. Shadow's very protective of me. Thanks, Shadow. He's like, hey, it's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. Hey. All right.
I'll drive.
All right, I want to see if she'll stay on. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh. I'll park. I'll park, okay?
Sakay siya daw.
Yeah, it's like a dog house. Alright. Thank you for the kiss.
What about me, Shadow? Shadow! 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 That's not fair!
Let's see your pretty smile. Let's smile. Smile, smile.